In this video, I'll walk you through 5 methods to remove duplicates in Airtable, from the simplest to the most automated. Method 1. Use the dedupe extension. The easiest method is Airtable's official dedupe extension, available on paid plans. Click Tools in the upper right corner, then click Extensions. Click Add an extension, search for dedupe, and click Add. Once installed, pick the table where you want to find duplicates. You can optionally select a specific view to check only a subset of records. Next, pick the field or fields you want to use to find duplicates. For text fields, you'll see options for exact matching, similar matching, or fuzzy matching. Click Review Duplicates. The extension will show you how many sets of duplicates it found. For each set, select which record to keep as the primary record, then click Merge and Delete. The duplicate records are removed and only the merged primary record remains. Repeat this for all duplicate sets. Method 2. Manual grouping. Free plan. If you don't have a paid plan, use grouping. Open your table in grid view and click the group button in the toolbar. Select the field you want to check for duplicates, email, name, or any other field. Collapse the groupings and look for groups with more than one record. Those are your duplicates. Right-click on the record you want to delete and select Delete Record. Repeat for all duplicate groups. Method 3. Automations to flag duplicates. If you want to catch duplicates as they're created, set up an automation. Click Automations in the top toolbar, then Create Automation. Set the trigger to when a record is created and select your table. Add a Find Records action to check if a matching record exists. Then add a conditional logic step to check if more than one result was found. If a duplicate is detected, use an Update Record action to flag it with a checkbox or status field. The automation can't delete records automatically, but it flags them for review. Create a filtered view showing only flagged duplicates and manually delete them. Method 4. Linked Table Formula Method. For a more advanced free approach, create a new table called Lookup. In your main data table, create a formula field called Composite Key that concatenates the fields you want to check for uniqueness. Create another formula combining the composite key with the record ID, then create a linked record field connecting to the lookup table. In the lookup table, create a lookup field pulling all composite key values. Back in your data table, create a formula field, checking if the record is a duplicate. Add a filtered view, showing only duplicates and delete them in bulk. Method 5. Make for fully automated deletion. For complete automation without manual review, use Make. Create a Make account, then add an Airtable Watch Records trigger. Use the Search Records module to find existing records with matching values. If the search returns more than one result, use the Delete a Record module to remove the duplicate. Test the scenario and activate it. Tips. For a one-off cleanup after an import, use the dedupe extension. For ongoing flagging of new duplicates, use automations. For fully automated removal, use Make. Choose the method that fits your plan, type, and workflow needs.